Hi, so we're going to be reviewing the Amika Blow Dry Babe Thermal Brush. Not the lip gloss. So this was going viral on TikTok, and then it was out of stock for mad long. So let's give it a go. I'm going to start off by just brushing my hair. Make sure you hold your mids while you get your ends and work your way up. This is day 2 of clean hair, so day 2 to me is basically brand new hair. And this is going to be my honest review from a hairstylist perspective. I've never used something like this. We'll be learning together. To begin with, it's mad light. That's good. I'm also going to be using the Perk Up Plus Extended Clean Dry Shampoo. Honestly, I just like it because it smells good. Kind of smells like perfume. I'm also going to be using clips as I roll the sections to clip them so that they can cool and set, because that's how it lasts longer. Light is giving pale mommy, and I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm not this pale. Let's start off parting in front of the ear and then right above the... So right now you should have 1, 2, and then in the back. This I'm going to split in half so it's 2 sections. Ideally, the bouncy blowout look is really truly meant for people who have layers. If your hair is 25 pounds thick, long, and just down to here, it's going to do nothing. It's gonna kind of like swoop your ends, but it doesn't even feel hot. Like I don't know when it's it's ready. If you see me looking here, I'm looking in the mirror. Brushing out your hair too, because if not, this will get caught. So I'm assuming I'm just gonna round it out. Oh, okay, so the thing just shuts off because kind of tugging a little. Also, I'm not a fan of where the button is of the on off thing, because as you're spinning, it's right there. Also tugging a little, which is annoying because I just brushed it out. But I guess, let's see, if I hold it here maybe, and then do a little spin down. Alright, see if I wrap it around some fingers. I mean, this should be wrapped better, but bear with me, it's midnight and I was just excited to use this product. I feel like this is like blowout for dummies, because I was using the Dyson and low-key, I feel like you need to be like a rocket scientist to know how to work that. Well, this kind of works. Amika, is this a hit or miss? Is it Jeffree Star approved? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna kind of twist it like as if I was doing a blowout at the salon. And like hold it there for a sec. And kind of twist. Oh. Yeah, you definitely wouldn't want to get your hair stuck in this. All right, that's looking cute. All right, let's take this top section and I'll be back. This I'm gonna section like my actual bang and just blow it out like a round brush. And then this, I'm gonna just go away from the face. Make sure you're getting the ends in or else the ends will be straight. If you want that like big, voluminous, like old 90s, I think I would honestly go towards the face because they didn't know what they were doing back then. And it gives you more of that like Marilyn Monroe, I don't know how to explain it, just like kind of look, you know? It's hard to get all these little layers in, but try your best. Oh, mind your business. I would usually have to sit to cool. If you feel that they're still warm to touch, do not take them out. So once the last ones that we just did are ready, then you could then take them out. So review, as of right now, it's cool. I like it. I think this is definitely an easier product than doing a bouncy blowout, flippy kind of blowout with like setting it with the curling iron. I think that this is definitely more efficient for people who don't really know how to do it or can't do the whole clamp curling iron thing. So let's see what these look like. Hi, so I had to start filming on my phone. It's giving voluminous. It's giving flippy, bouncy, curly, but not like a beach wave. Like, I feel like it's just like a bend. Like, I love this. Like how it just bends and not like a beachy straight ends. I feel like that era is over. I don't know, how do we feel? This is so cute. Okay, so 10 out of 10, recommend. I don't know if they're still in stock right now, but run up there and get one of these. The only thing I would say, I mean, out of the whole blowout, only one hair came out, which was probably me pulling like an animal. The only thing I would say I don't like about this, or not that I don't like, it's just inconvenient, I think would be where this on-off button is. Just because it's, while you're spinning, you could be pushing it, and like during it, I kind of felt like I was shutting it off. But this is the hair. We think Amika approved.